Digital footprinting ni, if you read my article, I wrote about we are expecting some issues due to this geopolitical crisis between Iran and the ally of Israel and United States. Yeah, we might have some disturbance in the global, with regard to the company or organization that directly related to the human resource. If you remember, last time when we had COVID, all companies, all organizations, they stopped taking new employees. So what happened? They even do downsizing. So COVID actually teach us about how the human resource management should react. Instead of negative reaction, the company, the organization should take not directly positive, but preparation for not firing the present employees and not also stopping taking the employees. In COVID, it has duration of time. I believe these issues with regard to the geopolitical crisis, referring to the Middle East issues and the world, it also has time. Only that we didn't know the impact, whether the impact is massive or the impact is only those affected area. We didn't know. But for sure, all companies, all organizations in the world are facing issues, are facing a time on how actually they manage their company. When we talk about managing the company, of course, it involves the employees, human resource management. In a way, bila saya tulis artikel itu kan, saya punya nama sudah established. I automatically imprint my name in the social media. So ini yang dipanggil digital footprinting. So nowadays, majikan organisasi, where do they find talent? Apart from strategic networking, they look through LinkedIn, then based on recommendation or words of mouth. Most companies now seek talent, dorang mencari talent dengan melihat digital footprinting, iaitu orang yang menulis with credibility, dan dorang normally akan check that particular guy and they try to invite that person into their organization. So ini adalah salah satu cara yang efektif untuk organisasi. Di situ kita boleh nampak talent. So kita hire the person based on dia punya digital footprinting. So apa yang saya tulis tu, saya telah membina saya punya digital footprinting.